Hey, welcome to Sesame Street. I'm really glad to see you. I'm gonna take this and shovel the snow off the ledge here.
Greetings!
Hey, Count.
I am the Count. Yes, I love to count things. And what, Gordon, do you have for me to count today?
Nothing today. I'm just gonna sweep this right off the ledge, so there's nothing you can count today. I'm sorry.
Snow! Millions and millions of snowflakes. Now, I will count them before you clear them away. One,
no, wait a minute, hold on. Hey,
three,
count,
four.
count. Wait a minute. No, you can't count these millions of snowflakes. It'll take weeks, maybe months.
Wonderful.
I gotta do it today. Right now, as a matter of fact.
But soon I must begin to count.
Oh, wait a minute. Don't do that, please. Okay, hold on a second. Why don't you count the strokes as I brush them away, all right?
You are a pal.
Okay.
Right. 1 brush stroke. 2 brush strokes. 3 brush strokes. 4 brush strokes. 5 brush strokes. 6 brush strokes. Thank you very much.
Don't mention it, huh? Hey, how you doing? Today we're going to talk about the same and different. Now let's see if there's something around here that's exactly the same. Oscar! Look at this. Hey, Oscar! How you doing, man?
What do you want?
Hey, guess what? How did you know I was going to talk about the same and different?
I didn't. What are you
Well,
talking about?
you had to. You came here to help me because we have on the same exact hat.
I came here to help you?
Yes, you did. We got on a red hat, the same exact hat, Oscar.
Oh, no, we
Thanks.
don't. There, how do you like that?
Oh, yeah, Oscar, I see. Yeah, that's different. Oh. Now we are different. Before we were the same, and now we're different. Thanks, Oscar. Thanks very much.
For what?
You're a big help. You're different.
Help? Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, yes, you are.
I'm not
big help.
wearing that hat. There, how do you like that?
Hey, Oscar. Hey, Oscar, I love you. You're beautiful. Now we're the same.
What?
We're the same.
Oh,
same
no, we're
hat.
not.
Oh, yes, we are. He's a big help, Oscar, today, you know?
I'm not helping anybody.
Oh, now you're different, Oscar.
Oh, no, I'm not.
All right.
Hey, there, I won't even wear a hat. How do you like that?
Oh.
I'm not helping you.
All right, Oscar, fine. That's cool. I'm not wearing a hat either. And now we're the same again.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. Hey, Susan, where you go with the hammer? Hammer and the saw.
Where am I going with the hammer and the saw? Oh, I'm going to go finish
Where you
working
going
on...
the hammer and the saw?
Yeah, I'm going inside, and I'm going to finish working on my bookcase. Hey, you know what? Since you asked me a question, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Who can tell me why are these two things the same? Uh-huh.
Because they both.
Wait a minute. Why are these two things the same? Why are these two things the same? Why are these two things the same? Tell me, and we'll play our game. Who can tell me why they're the same? They're both tools.
They both
That's
have
right.
brown. They both have, this have brown, this have brown.
Oh, you're talking about the wooden part? They both have
brown,
wooden.
this brown.
That's brown and that's brown. They're both wooden and they're both, what's that?
Tools.
Metal.
Metal.
And that's metal. Yeah.
And they're both
be careful.
tools.
Be careful with tools
They're
now.
both
They're
tools.
both tools. Hey, you know what?
What?
They're different too.
Okay, let's sing a song.
All right, let's sing the song about why they're different. These two things are different too. These two things are different too. How are they different and not the same? Tell me, and we'll play our game. Okay, who can tell me how they're different?
Yeah, this is a hammer.
All right, this one's a saw, and this one's a
is-
hammer.
And this is a saw, and that's a hammer.
I think I just heard that. Yeah,
'Cause
this is a
these-
saw and that's a hammer. What else is different?
Because this have sharp things and that doesn't.
All right, this
Because
has teeth,
one-
and this doesn't. This has
This
a blunt
this
part.
cut and this don't cut. It.
What do
it,
you use this for?
It bangs. To bang it
All
in.
right, this one doesn't. This cuts. You saw things apart with it, and you use this one to
I
hammer
got one
nails
at
and hold
home.
things together.
got one at home.
One what? A hammer?
No.
What?
Saw.
A saw at home? Well, that's enough of singing. I have to get back to work on my bookcases. You'll come and see them when I finish?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let me go too.
You're gonna help me? Okay, come
I
on.
want to go too.
All right. Hi.
Oh,
I'm
hi,
glad you're
Susan.
home. You know what? I need my towels back.
Oh, well, I got them back from the laundry. Sure.
Where are they?
We're here. Wow. Hello. Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Hello, Bird.
How are you?
Oh, tired, Bird.
Well, I'm
Very
glad
tired.
you're here because Susan is with me.
Oh?
So I'm going to have her come out and meet you, okay?
Ah.
Okay, then she'll believe you're real. Don't move an inch.
Mhm.
Don't go away. Stay exactly where you are. Okay?
Right.
Susan.
Big Bird, where are the towels? I can't find them.
Well, never mind the towels, Susan. I want you to meet my friend, Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, come on, Big Bird. Now I'm in a hurry. I need my towels, okay?
Well, he's just outside. Don't take a second.
Big...
Please, Susan, I want you to meet
all
him.
right. Where is he? Where is
Right outside the door.
Sure. I can't even open this door, Big Bird. What are you talking
can't?
about? No, I cannot. How did it get
Of
stuck
course.
like that?
Well, I don't know. You just came in.
I know.
Gee, seems like someone's trying to get through that door. Maybe I should move. Oh, no. Big Bird told me not to move an inch. I'll stay right here.
You sure it won't open?
No, I can't make it move. You try to open the door while I find the towels.
Okay. Gee, it is stuck. I wonder what's wrong. Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Yes?
Your tail is holding the door shut.
Oh.
So Susan couldn't open the door to come out to see you. You should move away from the door. Get away from the door, okay?
Away from the door. Okay, I'll move far, far away from the door.
Susan,
What?
now come and see him.
Come and see who?
Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, Big Bird, I found the towels. Thank
yes,
you.
good. Well, I want you to come and see him. He's right outside the door.
Big Bird, did you get the door unstuck?
Yes,
Yeah.
he
Oh,
see, it
good.
was his.
He's right
He's right
outside,
here,
huh?
and
Yes, he certainly is. Where?
well, don't you see him? He was,
Do you see him?
Not now.
I see one thing, though.
What?
Boy, have you got a big imagination.
But.
David. David. Oh! David!
Yep. That's my name, all right. Hey, thanks for getting my name together. Bye-bye. Gore. Don. Gore. Don. Of course. Gordon!
Oh, hi, David. Gordon couldn't make it. Do you have a sign that says Susan?
Hey! Who's that?
Oh, it's me. Is something wrong?
Yeah, I'm shoveling out here, and you threw your snow over here. What's going on over there?
Well, I was just shoveling out my nest, and I didn't have any place to put it, so
Well,
I...
listen, Big Bird, just don't shovel it on the sidewalk.
Well, where should I put it?
Well, I don't know, just don't do it on the sidewalk.
Well, okay.
All right, okay.
I'll think of
All
some
right.
other place to put it.
That's good.
And it won't be on your silly old sidewalk either. Don't worry. I'll think of something.
Okay.
Well, I'm all done, David.
Big
I get
Bird,
rid of all the snow.
did you put it on the sidewalk?
You said don't put it on the sidewalk.
Good, out of sight.
So I put it some other good place.
Oh, okay.
Out of my way.
All
It
right.
won't bother me and it won't bother you.
Okay.
Okay.
See you later. I better check this out. Yeah? Yes, he did. He cleaned up that nest real nice. And it's, and he didn't put it on the sidewalk. But, I wonder where he put all that snow. No, he wouldn't do that. No.
Get out of the way.
Yes, he would. Listen, I don't want to be around when Oscar gets home, so I'll see you later. Oh no.
It's nice to get back from a successful trip downtown. 2 crosstown buses covered me with slush as they went by. I loved it. And also 3 taxis did it. But it's gonna be nice to climb back into the old homestead here and what is this? Snow? My trash can is stuffed with snow. Look at that. It's just right, I can't see a thing. Hey, look at this. This is terrible. Who would have done such a thing? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the piano. I can't even see the black keys. My chiffonier. I can't see my broken dishes. And my swimming pool is full of slush.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters
Who else
D
is that overgrown turkey?
and Z
Silly goose.
and by the number 10.
Laugh, laugh. Take off. You're laughing at a poor gross.
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.